Hollow fiber. Advanced water filtration. Protects against microplastics, chlorine, organic chemical matter and sand, dirt, cloudiness and more. Improves taste. Made to last. Long-lasting membrane microfilter lasts up to 4,000 liters and the activated carbon filter lasts up to 100 liters of water with proper use and maintenance. Rigorously tested. Reusable, durable and BPA-free, independently lab-tested to meet protocols established by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, and NSF International, ANSI. Thoughtful and sustainable design. 22 ounces capacity. Every fill avoids single-use plastic bottled water. Easy to use, easy to clean. Bottle and cap are dishwasher safe once the filter is removed. Your purchase has impact. One purchase, one child, 1 year of safe water. Top reviews from the United States. Cheap, safe water anywhere. A solidly made water bottle and filter, purifier in one. Got this so I don't have to keep buying bottled water at airports or when traveling, just take it empty through security and fill it from a tap at the airport and while at your destination. There was a small transparent plastic seal covering the mouthpiece, so remember to remove this or, like me, you'll be wondering why it's taking so much effort to get a drink.